Good morning, students. Welcome to the Science 1 class. In this video, we are going to learn about relative molecular mass and molar mass. Students, we have already learnt about the relative molecular mass. You know that the value of 1 U is equal to 1 by 12 of the mass of a carbon 12 isotope. It means that a carbon atom weighs 12 U. That is, relative atomic mass of a carbon atom is equal to 12 U. Using the same standard value, that is 1 U is equal to 1 by 12 of the mass of a carbon 12 isotope, we have calculated that the relative atomic mass of oxygen is equal to 16 U. This table shows the relative atomic mass of the given elements. The relative atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 U. The relative atomic mass of carbon is 12 U. For nitrogen, it is 14 U. For oxygen, it is 16 U, etc. For example, let's take a carbon dioxide molecule, that is CO2. Carbon dioxide molecule has one carbon and two oxygen atoms. We know that the relative atomic mass of carbon is 12 U and the relative atomic mass of oxygen is 16 U. When you weigh carbon dioxide molecule, the mass of whole carbon dioxide molecule, which is equal to the sum of the masses of three constituent atoms, that is, one carbon atom and two oxygen atoms. Now, let's find the sum of the masses of one carbon atom and two oxygen atoms, that is 12U plus 16U plus 16U, which is equal to 44U. This 44U is the mass of the whole carbon dioxide molecule. How we got this 44U? By adding the relative atomic mass of the constituent atoms, that is carbon and oxygen. This 44U is called as the relative molecular mass of carbon dioxide molecule. Hence, the definition for the relative molecular mass is the relative molecular mass of a substance is the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms in a molecule of the substance. It is measured in terms of U, which is unified mass. Now, let's find the relative molecular masses of different molecules. First, let's find the relative molecular mass of hydrogen molecule. So, the relative molecular mass of hydrogen molecule is equal to the sum of the relative atomic masses of two atoms of hydrogen. Why it's mentioned as the sum of the relative atomic masses of two atoms of hydrogen? Yes, it's because the molecular formula of hydrogen is H2. You know, the relative atomic masses of one hydrogen atom is 1U. In hydrogen molecule, we have two hydrogen atoms. So, the sum of 1U plus 1U is equal to 2U, which is the relative molecular mass of hydrogen molecule. In the second example, let's find the relative molecular mass of chlorine molecule. In chlorine molecule, we have two chlorine atoms. What is the relative atomic mass of one chlorine atom? It is 35.5 U. So, the relative molecular mass of chlorine is equal to 35.5 U plus 35.5 U, which is equal to 71 U. In the third example, let's find the relative molecular mass of water molecule. In water molecule, we have two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. What is the relative atomic mass of one hydrogen atom? It's 1 U. And what is the relative atomic mass of oxygen atom? It's 60 U. So, the relative molecular mass of water molecule is equal to sum of the relative atomic masses of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. That is 1U plus 1U plus 16U, which is equal to 80U. So, this is how you have to find the relative molecular masses of different atoms. Now, let's move on to the next concept, molar mass. Here, we are going to learn what is molar mass and how to calculate molar mass. First, let's learn about gram atomic mass and gram molecular mass. Let's take carbon atom and water molecule. We know that the relative atomic mass of carbon is 12 units and the relative molecular mass of water is 18 units. When we express the relative atomic mass of carbon in grams, it is 12 grams and it is known as gram atomic mass. Similarly, when we express the relative molecular mass of water in grams, it is 18 grams and is known as gram molecular mass. Gram atomic mass and gram molecular mass are called molar masses. For example, if the gram atomic mass of carbon is 12 grams, it is also known as molar mass of carbon. In the same way, if the gram molecular mass of water molecule is 18 grams, it is also known as molar mass of water. Now, let's learn how to calculate molar mass. Let's see some gram atomic mass and gram molecular mass of some atoms. You know that the molar mass of carbon is 12 gram, oxygen is equal to 16 gram and hydrogen is equal to 1 gram and calcium is equal to 40 grams. Let's take water molecule and spot the atoms present in the molecule. Here, water is made of two different atoms, that is hydrogen and oxygen. Here, we have two hydrogen atoms. So, we shall write as H plus H plus O. What is the gram atomic mass of hydrogen? Yes, it's 1 gram. And oxygen, 16 grams. Now, let's calculate. 1 gram plus 1 gram plus 16 gram is equal to 18 grams. Thus, the molar mass of water is 18 grams. Next, let's calculate the molar mass of oxygen molecule. First, we have to spot the atoms. Here, we have 2 oxygen atoms. So, we shall write as O plus O. What is the gram atomic mass of oxygen? It's 16 grams. Hence, 16 grams plus 16 grams is equal to 32 grams. Thus, the molar mass of oxygen is equal to 32 grams. Next, let's calculate the molar mass of carbon dioxide molecule. Spot the atoms. Here we have 1 carbon atom and 2 oxygen atoms. So, we shall write as C plus O plus O. Molecular mass of carbon is 12 gram and oxygen is 16 grams. Hence, 12 grams plus 16 grams plus 16 grams is equal to 44 grams. Thus, the molar mass of carbon dioxide is 44 grams. That's all for today's class. Students, in this video, we have learnt about what is relative molecular mass and how to calculate relative molecular mass. Also, we have learnt about what is molar mass and how to calculate molar mass. Thank you, students. Have a good day.